Nice sheltered cove. See the boat way back there? Yeah. Hey! You're floating. I gotta spit in my mask. Just clean it.
Oh yeah.
How does it feel?
Cool.
We're floating. So how's your vacation going so far? We still got it. We can still do this stuff. Yeah. Carol's still on the boat. I'm getting around pretty good. What is it, Carol? Carol, what is it? A what? So going up and down the ladder was the worst part of the snorkeling. And we had memories of perfect day at Coco Cay because we're not in the best of shape. And we're in our 70s.
We did okay.
We did okay.
There were other people younger than us that were having trouble getting up and down the ladder.
Right. Yeah, I think they need an elevator into the water. But it was cool. I get some good video. I look forward to editing it and sharing it with you. Bye.